my life I've always wanted to have one day just for me. Nothing to do and for once nowhere I need to be. With no lessons, lords or lunches or to-do list in the way. No one to say when to eat or read or leave or stay. That would be the day. All my life I've always wanted to have one day for myself. Not waking up with a pile of work on every shelf. With no hems in need of pressing and no sleeves in disarray. No wedding gown with 1,000 stitches to crochet. And no debt to pay. To be, what would it be like to be free? Free to try crazy things, free from endless IOUs, free to fly, free to sing, and marry whom I choose. Lucky that I have so many things. I'm realizing that every present comes with strings. Though I know I have so little, my determination strong. People will gather around the world to hear my song. Can I come along? Now I fear I'll never be. Soon I will forever be free. I close my eyes and feel myself fly 1,000 miles away. I could take flight, but would it be right? My conscience tells me stay. I'll remain forever royal. I'll repay my parents' debt. Duty means doing the things your heart may well regret. But I'll never stop believing. She can never stop my schemes. There's more to living than gloves and gowns and threads